All sounds and images are copyright of the BBC. More images can be found on traditionalhistorytour.com and TardisBuilders.com. If any find a high-quality sound on this playlist on YouTube, put the link on the comments below. To skip this intro, click on the time links in the video comments below. Anyone not following procedure will be dispersed. You have no value.
Hello YouTube, Nathan. I'm still having troubles with the matrix screen behind me, but I have called in a Monopticon to give me a little tech support, figure out what the screen's malfunction is. Today's sound effects will be from the Doctor Who episode, The Krotons. I hope you enjoy.
This isn't a building, this is a machine. Come along. Doctor, it's open! Come on, quickly, behind the rocks.
is a warning. Leave the hall. All gods, leave the hall now. Leave the hall. All gods, leave the hall now.
Something's coming out now.
Your leader has been destroyed. All gods leave the learning hall at once. At once.
Hold on to the end of this chain. Look up there. It's a force generator. This chain may help to equalize the power load.
Well, what are they going to do? Doctor, I can't move.
No, it's a force field. Try and relax. Relax.
The guns should be here. They are in the exit shaft. Why? They are conditioned to obey. The conditioning may have failed. They have activated the circuit, then the dispersion unit will kill them. They are not guns. Why did you inoperate the dispersion unit? We need them alive. They have escaped. Keep the scanner on them. We will order the guns to capture them and bring them back. That is not a gond. It is possible they have evolved. There has not been time. It is a similar biped animal, but not from this planet. It is possible these higher anthropoids have taken over the planet. That is a gond. These creatures are in alliance with the gonds. Let us take this one. Its mind will have the capacity we need. Have you damaged it? No. It is alive. Animal tissue is weak. It is recovering. Test its mind. Not a hybrid. It is a primitive. Then the power will kill it. It is still of value. It can give information about the other creatures. Where are you from? Where are you from? You are of the same race as these bipeds. You are space travelers. Answer! Do not damage the creature. You and these other creatures are space travelers. Commander! What is that? What is its function? Range 07. Dispersion unit on target. They are leaving. Shall I fire? Shall I fire, Commander? We cannot kill them. We need their minds. You will leave the Dynatrope and fetch them back. What is the operating principle of your craft? What is its transference interval? You have no value. Vision control required now. On Control and proceed. Radius 181, Vector 5. Do not move. You have no value. You will be dispersed. Radius 179, Vector 5. They are needed for the Dynatrope. 168, Vector 4. The Dynatrope needs high brains for transfer power. The guns have no high brains. That is procedure. Radius 163, Vector 4. Krotons cannot die. We function permanently unless we exhaust. Radius 152, Vector 3. The exhaust procedure is merely a reversion to basic molecules, but the matter can be reanimated. 149, Vector 3. All waste matter must be dispersed. That is procedure. Radius 30, Vector 1. 20. Objective in range. Radius 10. You will return to the Dynatrope. Stop!
And I will see if you die or not.
Stop! Stop! Direction point! Direction point! I have lost contact! Direction point required immediately! Radius 10, Victor 3, do I proceed? No! Wait! The auto-scanner has lost contact. You will destroy the Tardis machine. Direction point. Radius 41, Vector 2.
Can't it see?
Apparently not in the light. It was dark in the machine, wasn't it?
Look, it's moving now.
Yes.
It's going towards the TARDIS.
Yes, it's being directed by the machine's scanners.
Further instructions. Return to the Dynatrope. Direction point. Reverse the readings.
Look, it's all right again.
You can tell that the captain is not at the helm, can't you?
You knew it would vanish like that, didn't you?
Well, it only does that, you see, if I remember to set the H.A.D.S.
The what?
The H.A.D.S, the Hostile Action Displacement System. If the TARDIS is attacked, it automatically dematerializes.
The high brains must be recaptured before exhaust time. Captive aliens are dispersed. Check exhaust time. Commence check. Lineal power static. Static. Gravitation field. Normal. Auxiliary output rising. Dynatrope balance. Balance 4. The Dynatrope will exhaust in 3 hours. The gravitation feed is dropping. The Dynatrope is moving out of balance. Static feed. Switch to full volume. Volume on. Systems check commence. Cut auxiliaries. Auxiliaries cut. Output 0. Feed in emergency power. Gravitation feed check. Static. Dynatrope balance. Normal. The guns have attacked the Dynatrope. The 2 high brains are there. Bring them here. Stop. Where are the high brains? The 2 alien creatures are needed. Where are they? Unimportant. Produce them. Where are they? Do not argue. Produce the high brains in 15 minutes. The high brains will enable us to operate the drive mechanism of the Dynatrope. Yes, but if the 2 high brains are not brought to the Dynatrope, you will all be dispersed. Do you understand? The high brains have been captured. Balance check 0 + 9. Exhaust time 22 minutes. Shall I open the Dynatrope? Only the 2 high brains must enter. The high brains are entering the Dynatrope. Prepare for takeoff. Phase 1. Phase 1 ready. Shall I destroy the guns now? They are of no value. No. The dispersion units use power. We have no power to waste. Set the intergalactic link. Take off. Phase 2. Prepare to transfer. All systems set. You will assist us now. The Dynatrope will exhaust in 12 minutes. It transfers the Dynatrope back to our own cosmos. It operates through mental power. 4 high brains are needed in relay. There are only 2 of us. No more questions. Unless you do as we order, you will be dispersed. We're wasting time. The Dynatrope was part of a battle fleet. 2 of our crew were exhausted by enemy fire, ceased to function. We carried out the emergency procedure and landed on the nearest planet. To conserve power, we set the Dynatrope in perpetual stability. Yes, they were primitives. Gone samples were brought in for testing at intervals. The Dynatrope absorbed their mental power into its circuits. The waste matter was rejected and dispersed. 9 minutes to exhaust time, Commander. Put on the headsets. You will suffer no harm. Take up your positions. 6 minutes. You have no choice. Put on the headset. Set the transfer link. Final phase. On automatic. Unimportant. Put on the headset or you will be dispersed. Enough of this. Put on the headset.
Well, it's your fault. You're making me nervous.
Dissolving.
Yes, it's returning to its basic form.
Oh, don't do these fumes, they're choking.
Yes, we must get out of here.